Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I'm standing in our sale home this month. This is the Penwell. It is part of our Summit series, our top of the line. A lot of things are included in the base price of this home, such as drywall, hardwood cabinets, granite countertops, a built-in electric fireplace, barn-style entertainment center. This home is on sale for $140,000 this month, and all of these things that I'm talking about are included in that base price. Upgraded black stainless steel appliances, and they're all included. So we've got the side-by-side refrigerator, microwave built into the tower, dishwasher down here, smooth top range, all of the backsplash, stainless steel hood, drawers over doors, a very large pantry, nice spacious dining room. And back to this end of the home, there's lots of things you can do here. We've chosen to add in a study, but this could be a bedroom here. Here's a secondary bedroom. We've added a Jack and Jill in between, so this Jack and Jill could also be a bedroom, or you can opt for the Jack and Jill with the dual sinks, separate shower and toilet area. Here is the other secondary bedroom. Right across the hallway here, we've got bath, in this case, bath number 3, but would be the second bath if you opted to change the other two into bedrooms. Here's the side entrance with the utility room, which is basically like a mini laundromat. All of this cabinetry right here is included. The sink is optional. So are these two washer and dryer cabinets. Headed back to the other end of the home. By the way, this is a 28 by 68, 1,813 square feet. Here we've got the guest closet or coat closet, the master bedroom, and attached to it is a radiant spa. Now we've added in an optional bathtub here. Normally that would be a bench. Large corner shower. We've got the square sinks with the European faucets. LED lighted mirrors. Those are included in the base price. Notice that the glass ceramic, the glass backsplash is included all through the home. Over here, we've got built-in cubbies. And here is a very generous master closet. We've got this home sitting on the lot. If you'd like to come take a look at it, I'd love to have you. On the exterior of this home, you're going to see 2 dormers, some shake siding, and also lineal trims. Give me a call at 260-383-1009. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks so much for watching.